Rhythm, very well said. I think Mr. Agarwal laid his point very well, that he was a celebrity before he left. Definitely he was a celebrity. That is why the Prime Minister office called him in 2015. That is why in 2016 when a whistleblower named Mr. Hari Prasad wrote a letter to the Prime Minister office that there is a huge scam which is coming up with the name of Gitanjali Gems owned by Mehul Choksi and his Nirav Modi are going to create a scam in India. At that time the Prime Minister office sat on those papers and did nothing, and they forwarded this particular letter to the ROC of Mumbai, and after that what did the ROC Mumbai do? They closed everything. They did not do anything. And 2018 we saw the pictures of Nirav Modi, a future fugitive, with the Prime Minister. Now the question here is, obviously the Antiguan government, the Dominican government are supporting India on the stand of deporting a fugitive who have made sure that the trust in the public banks, the trust of the people of India is lost. But somehow the law of the Act of 1955 is preventing a fugitive to come back to India. So now the point what remains is the laxity of the government was very much seen. While he was leaving the country, they could not prevent his leaving from the country. Now when he's coming back, it is the duty, and the government is doing whatever it should do. But giving them all the brownie points